Hello, everybody. I'm ready for a fun bridge tip that's also a very useful convention. I know so many conventions. Well, I'm adding one more because I think it's very, very useful and it's fun. Leaping Michaels. It's a good way to show a strong, not a weak, but a strong two-suited bid after the enemy preempts. Let's take a look. Am I confused? They opened 2 hearts and I bid 4 diamonds. What does that mean? They opened 3 clubs and I bid 4 diamonds. What does that mean? They opened 2 spades and I bid 4 clubs. What does that mean? They opened 2 diamonds and I bid 4 diamonds. Well, we're going to see what it all means. Okay, so Leaping Michaels is a convention that's very similar to Michaels. Michaels is used to show a two-suited hand that's not suitable for a takeout double when the opponents open at the 1 level. For example, they open 1 spade and the overcaller bids 2 spades. That shows hearts in a minor if you're playing Michaels. Leaping Michaels occurs after an opponent opens a weak 2 or 3 bid. It's usually used when you have a game going two-suited hand. It's a very good hand. You leap to the 4 level in the minor after a major was opened at the 2 level. You promise at least 5-5 in the unbid major and that minor that you leapt to. For example, the first example, they open 2 hearts, and here you hold hand A. So you have 5 spades and 5 diamonds and a very good hand. You have very few losers. So you would bid 4 diamonds, 2 hearts, 4 diamonds immediately, showing at least 5 diamonds and at least 5 spades. And partner can now decide where they want to play the hand. It's practically game forcing, not 100%, but practically. So therefore, if we're playing that 2 hearts, 4 diamonds, or 4 clubs is some kind of Leaping Michaels bid, then when they open 2 hearts and you overcall 3 hearts, so many people play that as Michaels. It is not Michaels. It is reserved for a hand that you can see in hand B. Look at hand B. It's you have 3 no in your hand if partner has a heart stopper, don't you? You have that nice long club suit and a couple other aces. Well, how else would you look for 3 no? 2 hearts, 3 hearts, 2 spades, 3 spades. That's asking for a stopper. Or it could be any really, really good hand that you need to make a slam try. But it is not Michaels. That's the thing that you have to remember. Okay? So now, if partner doesn't have a stopper, they must bid 4 clubs. Why? Because they don't want to go past the suit that you own. See, like in hand B, you can see that you own clubs, not diamonds. If you had the same hand with diamonds and you reversed your diamonds and club holding, they would bid 4 clubs and you would bid and correct to 4 diamonds. It's like a pass or correct bid. But it denies a stopper and they want to get out. It doesn't matter how many clubs they have. They're supposed to bid 4 clubs so that you can get out in your suit. Okay. So let's take a look at a couple of other examples. Okay, so here you can see the opponent opened a weak 2 heart bid. And the overcaller, you have clubs and spades. Now notice you have 6 clubs and 5 spades, but you still would bid 4 clubs. You're showing at least 5-5 in both those suits. The other major that wasn't bid, so you're showing spades because they bid hearts, okay, and the minor that you actually bid. And this way you can bring partner into the auction and they can help decide where the final contract should be. Okay, so here in the second example, they've opened a week 2 diamond bid. Now you bid 4 clubs. That promises clubs and a major. So how does your partner ask what your major is? They can bid 4 diamonds. They can cue bid the opponent's suit. And that would give you an opportunity to show what your major is so they don't have to guess. Okay, so you're showing clubs and a major. They cue bid to find out what's your major, and voila, they find out, you show your major. Okay, let's take a look at a few more examples. Here in number 3, the enemy has opened 2 spades and it's gone pass. And in the pass out seat, I bid 4 diamonds. That is still leaping Michaels, even in that position. And that would show diamonds and hearts, the other major, the one that the opponents did bid. And you can see a very nice 5-5 hand. And it's perfect. And then in number 4, I also bid 4 diamonds after a 3 club preempt showing diamonds and a major. Partner can now bid 4 hearts if he has support for both majors and does not like diamonds. This asks the overcaller to pass or correct a spades. So here you can see it went pass, and they bid 3 clubs. And now it went 4 diamonds, 4 hearts, and now 4 spades. So pass or correct. I want you to bid your major partner, and partner would now bid with this particular hand. They would correct to 4 spades. All right, let's take a look at a couple of other examples. Let's see some in action. Here's a hand where East actually opens 3 clubs. And here you are with South. You have this monster hand and you want to explain that you have 2 good suits and you have a very game-going hand. So you bid 4 diamonds and partner, look at partner's hand when you bid 4 diamonds. They love their hand. They have 5 diamonds with you and they know, what else do they know? They don't know which major you have, but they have the singleton ace of clubs. They're coming unglued. They can't wait. So what should he do? This is a slam hand for sure. They would bid, ready? 5 clubs, 5 clubs. That's a cue bid of their suit. That says I have a good fit with you. Normally it's for sure the minor, but it could be I'm interested in what your major is. Can you imagine if the major was spades? You pretty much assume that it's probably hearts, but there's no harm in showing a good hand. So you would cue bid 5 clubs, showing a control in clubs and asking about the major. So now I would bid 5 hearts. That's not the major I was hoping for with the north hand, but I am going to bid 6 diamonds. I'm going to put it in slam in diamonds. I know we have a 10-card diamond fit and we have no club losers. And since you're supposed to have a game-going hand, it's almost likely we might miss slam, but in this particular case, 6 diamonds is a good contract and 6 hearts, even though you have the queen and heart, is not so good. See? So that was a very good bid to get us to the slam. So take another example. Here, the enemy opens 2 spades, and South again has a monster hand with diamonds and hearts, and bids 4 diamonds to show diamonds and the other major. And this hand knows that there might be slam in the offing since their partner opened a weak 2 and they don't have much. So they bid 4 spades to be a pest and get in the way. You should do the same thing. Now we come to the north hand. They have a double fit with you, a double fit. So they take a free call of 5 hearts. Now, when they take a free call of 5 hearts, you're pretty much really, really loving your hand. So what do? You should cupid 5 spades. You should not just decide to bid 6 hearts or pass 5 hearts. You're pretty much sure you have slam over here. So you should cupid your ace of spades. Are they going to think that you have spades? No, they open 2 spades. So you're just cupiding the first round control. Now your partner is going to cupid 6 clubs, showing first round control in clubs, and that's your loser. So if they have a heart fit and you have ace, king, 5th of diamonds over here, you can now bid 6 diamonds to show the ace of diamonds. Now they know that you started with at least 5 diamonds and you're cupiding, and now 7 hearts can be reached. And this time it's a lock. See, it's fun to know how to bid properly. And let's take a look at an example that's not as clear. Okay. In this example, north opens 2 hearts. And here you are east and you have a good hand with spades and diamonds. So what are you supposed to bid? You're supposed to bid 4 diamonds, game going hand. Mind you, partner could pass if they have no reason to bid. They could pass, but most of the time it's almost game forcing. So you bid 4 diamonds and it goes pass, and you come over to west, and west has to make a decision over here. They know they have a known 8-card diamond fit, and they have the first round control of hearts, the enemy suit, and they know that you're probably short. They don't have a club control, so it's unclear exactly what to do, but they have queen and a spade, and they know you have at least 5. And again, the key is game going value. So if you have game going values, your spades should be pretty good since you're missing the ace of diamonds, your other suit. So they might choose to bid the 5-2 fit and bid 4 spades and match points. It rates to be a good score to play 4 spades instead of 5 of the minor. But they pretty much have golden cards for you, 2 aces and the queen of spades. So they would bid 4 hearts. 4 spades. Now, they could bid 4 hearts to Q-bid, but they're not quite as strong as the other hands to be Q-bidding. And I would just settle on 4 spades myself. Okay, well, I hope you had fun with Leaping Michaels. It is a good convention. It comes up more often than you think. Sometimes people play something called Roman jumps, and many people play it the same way, or they think it's the same, but it's not exactly, but it's very close. So Roman jumps and Leaping Michaels are almost the same. And they're sort of picture bids so that your partner gets an idea of what you have. Okay, I hope you have wonderful, wonderful, good results with some of my bridge tips. And if you have any questions or you'd like a particular topic, please email me and I'll try to get to it. Other than that, have a good month of bridge. Thank you for watching.